Welcome to our screencasts for GEO 3239. Our new Streatham and St Luke's campus map is easy to use and can be easily understood by students, staff and visitors. Our map will not only show the individual buildings present on the campus, but it will also apply many of the Web App Builder widget tools to create a more user-friendly experience. The user of the map will first be welcomed by a splash page. It contains the university's new branding and logo. Within the map, there is an immediate link to the University of Exeter's webpage. Many widgets are now visible on the home page. We have kept our legend simple, with the academic buildings and halls of residence colour coordinated for clear differentiation. We've also included various point layers that we believe would be the most useful for someone present on the university campus. This includes the locations of water refill points, food outlets, and some key transportation links. These will be explored further. Immediately to the left of the screen are key map widgets such as full screen mode, zoom option, default extent, and the locator button, which can be used when location services are on. On the main page, the user can click on each university building to bring up additional information, such as the building's department, facilities, and services. Images have also been attached to help with building identification. We also made our colour scheme colourblind accessible, which will be explored more later. The search bar allows users to directly search for the building they are looking for on campus. Simply typing in the name will bring up a list of options to be chosen from. With your building chosen, you may also use the zoom function. This function works directly alongside the widgets we have attached beneath it on the left-hand side. First, the directions function, which allows users to calculate walking or driving distance and time between buildings that exist within the map. For example, from your halls in Marden to Hatherley. The measurements function also gives you a distance calculation for journeys that are perhaps not listed directly as walking routes. Our swipe function is currently organised to control the four main layers we have included in this map. The location of water refill points and their total number is listed in our embedded infographic. The location of food outlets on campus have also been mapped, as students and visitors frequently require access to these services. We have included a helpful chart analysing the cheapest lunch option at each location, which is particularly helpful during the current cost of living crisis. We've also chosen to include the locations of bus stops on campus and the main information hubs where both students and visitors can go for help and services. Our widgets in the top right corner of the user screen add further controls to the users of the map. The Legend tab and the Layers tab will show what is located within the map. You are able to select and deselect these as you wish. Our Bookmark tab, labelled Key Locations, contains locations we believe are important to those travelling within the university and around the city itself. Core city locations, such as the centre and the train station, are useful to be able to pan to and assess distance. The Share button provides a link to users so that they can share with others if they wish. When creating this map, we considered design responsibility while incorporating the University of Exeter's branding and colour. As shown in this short example, the interactive campus map is fully functional across mobile devices. A large part of this responsibility is considering the requirements of those with colour vision deficiency. To ensure this map is accessible to all, this map has been run through a simulator to provide insight into user experience, showing the importance of colour value over hue when making responsible cartographic design choices. The colouring and design of the map works in line with the University of Exeter's branding. The specific University of Exeter hex colours have been used throughout the map to ensure branding cohesivity. Here you can see the outcomes of different deficiency filters, which confirm that our colour scheme is appropriate for those with colour vision deficiency, with the left side being the original map and the right side being the filtered maps. In order to achieve this, we looked to reduce the number of features on the map which were identified strictly by colour. The use of symbols to identify features rather than coloured points creates an image that is easy to interpret. We have decided to keep only essential locations for this map. Places people need to go, where they can eat and drink, and how to get around. This focus has ensured that our map is not confused and cluttered with many different layers. We have chosen the Sustainable Development Goal 6, access to clean water and sanitation, as our sustainability focus and have indicated the water fountains around campus to make them more accessible to all. We decided the selection of widgets available were more suitable than a dashboard. We also preferred the range of themes and designs available for a web app. However, others mapping a different project may find that the lack of advanced display techniques, such as base map clipping, may be problematic. Our web app is now live to the public with external layer editing disabled.